how to spot fake reviews and fake sellers on Jumia. Now when you search on Jumia for a product, let's say jewelries, and you're trying to find out the fake sellers and the fake reviews, here's simply how to do it. First of all, you just need to check the seller's score. So let's say we click on here, scroll down, description. Now, quality score is excellent, the shipping speed excellent, the seller's performance, the cancellation rate is excellent, but customer rating is average. You check this first. The seller score is 90% seller score. So once you check that, you know that okay, this seller is actually a good seller. Then you can also try looking up the seller's history on online. But the seller score already tells you a lot. Now, it's best to go for official stores when you're buying stuff. But if there is no official store and you do not find an official store, then you can buy from here by checking the seller score. Now, for the reviews, here's how to do it. Now, be suspicious of prices dramatically below every other seller offering the same item. This is the single most consistent red flag. If the item is way too cheap, that's a red flag. Then you should also don't forget to read the description, product description. Don't forget to read the product description. Fine. Read all of it. Then once you've read that and you've read the reviews that you're allowed to see, like this one said poor packaging, this one said poor packaging, this one said I don't like it, it gets worse just after a few days. This one said ring not matches with size, it's rusting, it was after 2 days, very poor, it failed the next day. That's how you know that don't bother buying from this seller. And if the reviews say, oh, it's so perfect and this, but more reviews are telling you it's bad, then you know that this product is actually bad. If the ratio of bad to good reviews is 2:1 or even 3:1, that is a bad to good reviews ratio, then don't buy it. But if it is 1:5, 1:2, or 1:3, then you know that it's good. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful.